Campaign bembirwa ba Uganda Heart Institute n'abashawahirwa rero kureri Mbarara kandi katandika harwo kubanza nayo kwarwa katano rwesabiteji ubwa hati abana mwenda nubo bashemezibwe muri kikorwa abanyamukureri izoba Dr. Kumba urukuri tajeri abana hirwa rero kuri Mbarara Regional Refferal Hospital yatugambira umugasho gwa campaign
yamba kurebeka ngo abana bakuretaka kuja Kampala ababwire mituma abazirwe no buyina ningo akahuru umutima babasa kushemezwa hano batajire Kampala kuko abazira binji n'amakaminji tugakwe basize kutwara abana bakampala
kumba yatwereka ngo kwihirwa rutandika kucebero burwere bw'umutima mu bana emyaka 10 hwire bashikiza abana 12 barukushanga bine bina ha mutima
ubwire bw'umutima bukanyiri abo bakutwikaho nababarira hando hona baboyize muzembaza babacebere niyo birawe bacika kuno tubacebera muri yabo shango mustabana ngarukumira 12 bine ayitanchire bine ubwire bw'umutima deno muri yabo hina bakweteka kushimeza nango bunu bindi after istanchire abashimirizi bwana bagita abashimirizi Kampala n'abajirayeru twarengera umutwaro umubana igana kuhabwa campaign wakitana area twahise abana makumyabiri
so twina masikongo abana kubaraheze kushemezwa bashoraje nibija kubaje nibakera because burijo nukwecyo rukugenda abana kutweza kubashemeza batebekana bazo mu buteka barya banywa bakoraje batine shonga yona
okushemeza oku kurirwe Dr. Okushemeza kana shobora ahabikabye bine barukushemeza
all of the heart the whole in the heart will affect the babies, so these babies will be very sick. The parents are immobilized because the patient is sick all the time, and actually many of them will die so if unattended to. So this surgery is life-changing.
Campaign neyo murundo gwa kabiri kandi Dr. Peter Rwabi umuhezi wa mukuru wa Uganda Heart Institute nagamba habishirweho mu kusiyoboherezo mu bantu.
Now for her to come to Mbarara then go to Kampala, how many people can do that? And sometimes when they tell you that you are most likely going to give up and say I cannot go, where will I stay, who will look after me, who will meet all these costs? So it is in that spirit that we said that we must have centers like the Heart Institute in Kampala closer to the people.
Abantu miliyoni 8 mu munsi yona nibitondwara z'emitima kandi mu Uganda abantu bana omwe nabayine ndwara y'umutima. Wa TV WestNehinda Adolf Ayireka.